Next is the moderate portfolio, and I would say this is the most common one if you're in your working years. This is the one where they put 50% stocks, usually 40% bonds, 10% cash, also known as a balanced portfolio. So when you look at your statements, you might see balanced whatever. That's what this means. It's 50% stocks, 40% bonds, and 10% cash. Next is the aggressive portfolio. This is usually the one where they like to give to people who are in they're younger and they're in their working years. And although it's an aggressive portfolio, I like to call it a passive aggressive portfolio because it's not really that aggressive. So what you have here is you have, your stocks, a bigger portion of them, usually 70%, 25% bonds, and 5% cash. So the return profiles of each of these conservative, moderate, and aggressive portfolios. This is where things might get frustrating, or you might be like, I don't understand what's going on when they keep pulling up these index charts saying that the market made 16% this year and I only made 3%, because these are made to reduce your risk. So a conservative portfolio, I would say, honestly, you should expect to return 2 or 3% from that one. A moderate portfolio, you're looking at 5% per year. And then the aggressive one, you're looking at 8% per year. This is not going to be consistent. It's going to vary over time. But if you are going to be in these portfolios, I'm just saying, have your expectations in line, and this is what you can achieve at the bank level.